Good afternoon, guys. The time is 12:20 in the afternoon, and I'm still in the Philippines, but we're in Inasal restaurant where there is an Andy Rice. Now I have the kids here. Hey, say hello, Raven. Hi. This is the challenger. These are the challengers. So because and this one too. Are you challenger too? Judge. She's the judge, and they're the challenger. So what's gonna happen is, because this one, whoever gets more cup of prize get 1,000 pesos. Excited? Yeah. Raven, ano binubulong mo, Raven? Hati. Sige. Okay, so now we're just waiting for the order. And let's see what happened later. So I have the judge. And what are you? The challenger or the judge? Challenger. Sayang daw yung 1,000. And you judge too. Judger. Dalawa siya. Sayang pa yung 1,000. Kaya saan ka natin? Panggala yun. Akala ko pang coffee mo.
Challenger pa rin.
Sayang na eh.
So yan, panggala din. Okay. Now we're just waiting for the order now. And now, at the moment, they're having a sour soup. How is your sour soup?
Very sour.
Oh, very sour, very hot. What's the lemon taste smell like? Oh, no. See? They're all having soup there. But wala kang soup na. I really don't like it. What's the lemon smell like? Maasim. They started already, so that's what it looks like. Like half of chicken, diba? Half of chicken and rice. It's unlimited rice here, so what happened is we will see whoever. So that's yours. So whoever, kung sino yung maraming rice. Kasali ka din ba, Boaz? Sa paramihan ng kanin? Boaz? Tulog ka na? Tulog na si Boaz. Are you asleep already, Juan? Naiya na naman siya. What's this? It's properly pen. And I didn't have rice, but I'm having a dessert. I'm having this one. This one's called, what do you call this? Crema. Leche. Crema de leche. Crema de leche. And this one is halu. That's mine. Ready na? Oh, giniginaw siya. You're cold, ha? Giniginaw siya. Giniginaw ka, ha? Ben, giniginaw ka ba? O dito ka kinikinig? Wow. Yung magbibilang, ha? Oy, judge. Make sure you judge. Okay. So, another one. And this one's another one. Boaz. Diba? Because sali ka, Boaz. Hindi nasagot. Nahihiya ka. 2. 3. 2, 3. Naku, Pen! You have to hurry up. And Boaz, you have to hurry up too. Kasali ka ba, Boaz? Hindi ka pala kasali. Naku, CJ, you have to hurry up. They have 3 all. Oh, how many now you're having?
100. Sabay ko yan.
Hindi ba kaya? Hindi ba carry? Oh, Pen. Okay, ako naman nakakain. Parang may panalo na. Pang-4 na si Raven. Kaya pa? No eh. Kaya pa?
I know. Kaya pa
4.
naman yung takoy mo. Dapat palitit lang.
Palit, laki-laki.
Parang ganito-ganito ko yan, bumalik.
4 na yan, no? Yung sa'yo, 3. Wala, si Noe tulog na. Ay, si si Boaz. Tulog ka na, Boaz?
Wala na.
Si Pen humahabol. Kaya pa, Pen?
Ganigin mo yun.
Siya. Ikaw, kaya mo pa? Ayaw, unlimited ka. Ayaw mo.
Hindi ako nag-handy.
Ay, siya pala.
Pati yung judger, pangalawa.
Pati yung judge. Oo, diba? Di ba half chicken yan? You know, that's why. Take your time, ha? No rush. Take your time, no rush. Me too. Me too, no rush for me. I have halo-halo, I have crema something. This one's not mine. Hers. But I have to try everything. After isang container, ayun pa pala. Gusto mo pa ng rice, Pen? No.
Another rice.
You want rice? More rice? May kamay. Binubuhos pala yung ano. Oh, yan.
Java rice na.
Nga. Nakaw na. Isang rice para sa Pen.
Panawagin natin.
So, alam na kung sino panalo. Ano ba, CJ? Ano na?
May nanalo na.
May nanalo na. Hindi na kaya.
Pang date mo yan.
Panday. Panday. My girlfriend na pala. Si Pen. Bibigyan na si Pen ng 5 pesos consolation prize.
Yung 5 pesos ka naman pala.
Tawa si Pen. Pen.
Yung piso isang kanin.
Alam na, pinito panalo. Wala, hindi na kaya eh. So ano na, suko na.
Gusto na kanin. If yung kay mami nga daw, bibigay.
Gusto mo konti lang? Teka,
Sabi mo kay mami mo, ay nayo di na kaya kanin.
konti lang daw.
Halos kalahati pa nga.
Wala, talo na. Consolation ano lang, 5 pesos na lang kay Pen. Okay lang ba sa 5 pesos? Hindi mo malagyan ko.
Okay na daw sa kanya.
Okay lang? Okay sa'yo, 5 pesos. 5 pesos lang.
Okay na.
No, ikaw 10 pesos. Kalahati daw.
750.
Oh, dalawa na yung laban. Wala na, panalo na kayong parehas. Tapos na laban. Ha? Pangatlo pa lang yan? Oo nga, wala na. Talo ka na.
Meron siyang
Pero saan? 20 pesos. 5 pesos each ano.
isang kanin.
Giniginaw si Pente, no? Sa aircon.
Hindi ko alam ito.